Okay, this is 1333 Pine Street, Unit 1F on beautiful Pine Street in Philadelphia, Washington Square neighborhood, close to Broad Street and the Broad Street line, just a few minutes from Center City. It's a small brownstone apartment building, okay? Units on the first floor. In the front of the property, Unit 1F. Okay, this is the front door. These are your mailboxes. And you're here on the first floor. So the unit is just about done. They're waiting on certain appliances to come in. First, here on the right, is going to be your washer dryer. Okay, stackable washer dryer. Over here is your kitchen. There'll be a stove right there. There'll be a refrigerator right there. Okay. This is the space. This is the living space for the unit. Central air and heat controllable inside the unit. This is your first bedroom. Smaller closet in this bedroom. It's a nice size. We'll step out the dimensions and have them for you. Full bath with stand-up shower. Again, this will be all finished in about a week. So by August, actually by August 5th, this will be ready. Appliances are supposed to come August 3rd. This is the second bedroom, larger closet, also a full bath. Stand-up shower. A little bit of storage. Okay, they're just redoing the exterior stucco and cleaning this up a little bit. Okay. So that will all be done in the next week or two or three, but it won't impact this unit. Again, second bedroom. I will walk this out for perspectives. This is the closet. Standard depth. And that's the unit. Let us know if you have any questions, if you're interested. Submit applications ASAP. It'll go quick.